Hi, I'm Mark Hennis. I'm an attorney here in Las Vegas. The question I'm often asked is, do I need underinsured motorist coverage? And the answer I always give is absolutely, especially in this economic time where we're finding now more than ever people on the roadways of Las Vegas have no insurance. And as a result, if you're hit by someone with no insurance, your only recourse is to use your underinsured motorist coverage. So if you haven't spoken to your agent recently about what coverages you have, I strongly recommend that you talk to your agent about obtaining at least $15,000 worth of underinsured motorist coverage per person. This will protect everyone in your vehicle in the event you are unfortunate enough to be involved in an accident with an underinsured driver. One of the most important reasons to have underinsured motorist coverage is you'll rely on this to pay medical bills not covered by health insurance that you incur as a result of injuries sustained in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured motorist. Also, if you miss time from work, underinsured motorist coverage can compensate you for that time you missed from work as a result of being injured. Also, compensation for pain and suffering. Without underinsured motorist coverage, if you're involved in an accident with someone that does not have liability insurance, you have no recourse whatsoever. So again, just strongly recommend, if you haven't spoken to your agent recently about your auto coverages, first and foremost, make sure you have underinsured coverage on your policy. Also check the limits of that coverage. In this day and age, with the cost of medical expenses going up yearly, it's important to have sufficient amount of underinsured coverage. At our firm, we recommend that people carry a minimum of $50,000 per person underinsured coverage. In order to do this, you have to raise your liability limits according to Nevada law. So if you have liability limits, for instance, of $15,000 per person, you'll need to raise those to $50,000 per person in order to also be allowed to carry $50,000 of underinsured motorist coverage. This is an expense well worth it, and one that we strongly recommend you take a look at and make the change sooner rather than later. Too many people come to our office having been seriously injured in accidents where the person who caused the accident, the at-fault person, carried no insurance. And as a result, if our clients don't have underinsured coverage, there literally is nothing we can do for them.